Matt, I'm so excited to get on the boat.
Oh, me too. I haven't been on a boat forever.
Oh man, make some waves.
Get in the water.
The day is perfect for it.
Yeah, it
There's
is.
like nobody out here.
No, nobody.
This is gonna be great.
Got my beverage.
Got my beverage. You know, my water.
Mine's not water.
This is perfect.
Yeah, it is. Let's
Oh,
go.
we have a problem.
Where's your boat?
My boat, where's your boat?
I don't have a boat. I thought you had a boat.
Well, I thought you had a boat.
No, I don't have a boat.
Well, I don't have a boat.
I guess we better go do something about it.
What are we gonna do? Look, I don't want to feed these fish again. I brought the bucket. I do not want to go stand over there and feed fish again.
Let's go to Blue Springs Marine. I hear they're having end of summer specials right now.
Like sales?
Yeah, sales.
Like buy one, get one free? Because I really like buy one, get one free.
Let's go and find out. They might have.
That would be so awesome.
That would be awesome.
I
All right.
doubt it.
Probably not, but we got to find out.
Okay, let's go see.
Let's go.